Hi, this video is going to show you all the customization that you can do for CloudCMA before you actually use CloudCMA. If you haven't created a CloudCMA account at no cost for you, you want to log on to Paragon, click on Resources, and click on CloudCMA. If you already have your account, you're good to go. Just click on CloudCMA and it will take you to that website. But the next couple screen is for me to show people who haven't created their account yet. Right? So under Resources, I click on CloudCMA. And if you don't have an account yet, this is the screen that you will see. You will type in your full name and the email address that we have it on file for you. Then you click Activate. After you click on Activate, it will give you the Launchpad for Cloud Agent Suite. Cloud Agent Suite has CloudCMA, Cloud Streams, and Cloud MLX. This video is about the customization for CloudCMA. So I'm going to stay within the CloudCMA environment. So you can click on Create your first CMA or you can click on Launch. After you do that, you will see this screen, which is the landing page of CloudCMA. Upper right-hand corner under your initial, you click on it, you will go to your account settings. On the profile section, you can upload your agent image by clicking on Agent Avatar and upload your picture. You can also click on Choose File under Company Logo to upload a copy of your company logo. After that, you will click on Save Profile. Left-hand side under Profile is the contact information. These contact information items will show up on the footer of your CMA presentation. You don't have to put your full name and your office name. Those two are automatically generated for you. But if you want to show your email address, you will add the email address at the bottom. Since I have this already, so I'm going to delete this so that I can show you how to add it. So contact method, you click on the down arrow, select the item, so email, and type your email address and click add. Now your email address will show up. Hey, I have two email addresses. So if I accidentally created double, you can remove it. After you add those items to the bottom, if you see a misspelled, you have to remove it and then recreate. For example, if I type my website address incorrectly, I will have to trash that and then pick it from the list again and type the correct one. If I want my website address to come before the address, I can click and drag and move it around. Okay, so that's how you add your contact information on the footer area on your presentation. Password. You don't need a password to go to CloudCMA because after you create your account, you access CloudCMA within Paragon's environment. So you log on to your Paragon, you click on Resources, and then click to CloudCMA. That's why you don't need a password here. Same thing about MLS credentials. CloudCMA already knows that you're coming from Bay East Association, so you don't have to make any changes here. Custom pages. I am going to come back to custom pages in a little bit. So I'm going to skip this one just for a minute. Integrations. If you have subscription with these softwares for reviews, you can put in your credential here and then update services, and CloudCMA will link these review software, and when you have reviews on any of these software, it will show up on your CloudCMA presentation. Billing. CloudCMA comes with your Paragon BayEase membership, so you don't have to pay. As it right here said, your CloudCMA subscription is currently free, courtesy of BayEase Association. So custom pages, let's take a look at custom pages. This custom pages is the same as this custom pages under your initial. Okay, same area. This tab is for you to edit, update, and delete your custom pages and custom PDF pages. The first section is for you to actually type up your custom page on CloudCMA. How do you do that? You can, let's say you name the document, moving checklist, copy. This is the name of my page. I'll click add. Then I will type my moving checklist for my client here from scratch. Item 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on and so forth. And then you can use these little icons to customize the font size, so on and so forth. Then you can click on Save Pages. If you created pages here before and you don't want it anymore, or you want to rename it, you have the button here. So let's say I have one that's called moving checklist. I don't know what I did with that, and I actually don't need it anymore. I can delete it. Okay, so the first section is for you to actually type the page from scratch. Second section, these custom pages CloudCMA already created for you. It has some writings in there already. For example, inside the cover letter, I'm going to click on it. So you can see they have a pre-written cover letter. But if you want to shorten it, make it shorter or make it more personalized, you click on the pencil and you can modify the content. Now, one thing is that is important. Do not remove these codes, because this code is for CloudCMA to pull your client's name into the cover letter when you create your presentation. So don't get rid of these codes, but you can update the content of the cover letter. After making changes, click Save. Okay, agent resume, you can type up your resume. Company, you can type up your mission statement of your company. After you make changes, save. Last section is to upload PDF document. If you have a flyer that is in PDF format, you can upload it onto CloudCMA for you to use when you create your presentation. So that's all these buttons is about. So these are the customization that you can do under the account settings. There's another button under your avatar, is lead generation. CloudCMA gives you a free landing page named What's My Home Worth. When you put this landing page on your Facebook business page, your Twitter account, your bio in your Instagram, the public can click on the button named What's My Home Worth to do a quick CMA for their own home. CloudCMA will automatically find comparables close to that house, close to their own home, and create a quick and simple CMA for them. Now, you probably will not want them to look at the CMA before you look at it, right? So this button right here automatically email a finished report to all of your web leads. You want to uncheck it. If it is checked, you want this button to be unchecked, so that when public click on What's My Home Worth button, type in their address, their name, their email address. CloudCMA will create the quick and simple CMA, send it to you first. What's it look like? So I already created one, so I just want to show you. If the public click on What's My Home Worth button on my Facebook business page, CloudCMA created this CMA for me. For cookie, Cookie hasn't gotten this CMA yet because I want to click on the edit button and check out everything looks nice. Maybe some of the comparables that CloudCMA pull for Cookie, but I don't want any of those comparable to show. So I can modify this. And one great thing is now I have Cookie's email address, so I can follow up with them. So this What's My Homework button is a great way to generate potential leads for you. Once again, you click on this copy link to copy this landing page link. You can put it on your Facebook business page, Twitter, Instagram, all those social media. So this is the lead gen. Learning Resources has all the short videos to show you how to create a CloudCMA report. Now on CloudCMA, you can also create a buyer tour, a property report, and a flyer. And right here on the Learning Resources tab, you have short videos to watch. Of course, Bay East also have hands-on classes on CloudCMA at our offices in Pleasanton and also in the Alameda as well. If you have questions, feel free to give us a call at the tech support number below or watch these short videos in the Learning Resources. Support Center has user guide instead of video, so your choice to use it or not. Now you know how to customize your CloudCMA. It is time for you to learn how to create your first CMA presentation using CloudCMA. Thank you for watching.